up, it's your girl Didi and welcome back. I just did a live video with one of my guiltless chocolate recipes in my booklet. If you guys are interested, you can get it on Amazon, and I also have my simple, quick and easy booklet available for you guys as well. This is healthy snacks, breakfast, lunch and dinner options, and my chocolate recipes are just basically to die for. So I just wanted to jump on real quick and explain a little about what I do, because honestly you might be thinking, oh my gosh, chocolate is not healthy, and chocolate is actually healthy. Dark chocolate has a lot of benefits. It has a lot of antioxidant properties, and the aim is not to ever take away the things that you guys love from your diet. It's all about balancing your meals, making sure that you have a healthy lifestyle changes, and that's what the programs are about. No restrictive diets, no weight loss gimmicks, no pills and supplements, because honestly, aren't you just tired of not seeing results that you want to see with these things, and it just damages your body. It makes you feel horrible at the end of the day. It's all about working with you as an individual, because all my sessions are individualized, and even though they're virtual, it's a one-on-one session. We could Zoom, we could Skype, we could video chat on WhatsApp. It's up to you. Whatever your personal preference is, we can do it. So I just want to show you guys how comfortable it is by doing live videos on my Facebook and social media. Message my business number and I will answer any questions and concerns that you have in order to start getting you on the right track to better health. I'm a dietitian, nutritionist, and healthcare professional. I have over 7 years of education behind me. I do have my master's in nutrition, and I have over 3 years of working with persons to achieve their health goals through lifestyle changes, and they work. It's all about keeping you guys happy and healthy. I am proof that you can actually use lifestyle changes to help you achieve your health goal, because I've been maintaining my body composition and good health for years because I practice these lifestyle changes on a daily. So it is very easy for me to, let's say, put on weight by eating unhealthy and by changing my lifestyle. So it's all about understanding you, your health goals, and how you can reach it through your daily habits. I work with you as an individual and provide individual handouts, meals, recipes, anything that you need to help you achieve that health goal that you have for yourself. I really want you guys to come away from the negative mindset of dieting. We're not dieting, we're using lifestyle changes, things that we could stick to for the rest of our life that benefit us in a positive way. Alright guys, it's all about the quality of your life and improving the quality of your life through lifestyle changes. So let me help you as your healthcare professional. I'm here to be your support system and to guide you through it all. You're not alone on this journey. So remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you guys message me and reach out to me and let me help you with your lifestyle changes.